So what in the world does a bottle of fine wine have to do with the future of digital trust? Well, in today's Explainer, we're diving deep into the Cardano ecosystem. We're going to uncover the real-world stuff being built right now, from securing actual physical products to its maturing financial layer. So yeah, let's get right into it.
You heard that right. We are literally talking about fine wine being tracked, authenticated, and secured on the Cardano blockchain. It's happening. You could definitely call it that. But all jokes aside, this points to something so much bigger. This is a powerful, real-world use case for blockchain that solves a problem you can actually, touch and feel. And that's exactly where we're going to start, with a real tangible application that takes Cardano off the computer screen and puts it into the physical world. What's so amazing here is just how simple and elegant this journey is. Okay, so picture this. It all starts in a vineyard in Georgia's Bolnisi region. The wine gets bottled, each one gets a special tag, and its authenticity, its proof that it's the real deal, is locked onto the Cardano blockchain forever. So when that bottle finally gets to you, all you have to do is a quick scan, and you can verify its entire history. It's this unbreakable, transparent link straight from the grape to your glass. And just like that, you solve a massive problem with counterfeiting. Okay, so securing physical goods, that's one thing. But now, that same idea, that same principle of building trust is being applied to the digital world. And let's be real, if we can't even trust a bottle of wine, how on earth are we supposed to trust the media we're bombarded with every single day? And this quote, this really gets to the heart of the problem, doesn't it? We're talking millions of fake images, fake videos, flooding the internet every day. Sure, some are harmless fun, but a lot of them are made specifically to deceive us, creating this world where it's just getting harder and harder to know what to believe. This slide just lays it out perfectly. On one side, you have us, our human perception, which is just getting totally overwhelmed and confused by this flood of manipulated media. But on the other side, you have the solution being built on Cardano, an AI agent called Night AI. Think of it like a technological verification layer that our own eyes just can't provide anymore. And look, the goal isn't to ban AI content, not at all. It's about creating accountability so we can still have all that amazing creativity, just, without all the chaos and mistrust. All right, so with trust being built in both the physical and the digital worlds, let's pivot a little and talk about the financial infrastructure. Because what we're seeing here is the ecosystem growing up on two parallel tracks at the same time: institutional adoption and grassroots decentralized innovation. Now this is a very, very big deal for the ecosystem. I mean, when a massive institutional platform like Coinbase Prime expands its support for Cardano staking, that's a huge vote of confidence. This isn't just about price, it's about legitimacy. It's about making it way easier for large-scale capital, the big players, to come in and participate in securing the network. It really signals a whole new level of maturity. And at the very same time that the institutions are moving in, the decentralized, community-driven side is innovating just as fast, if not faster. A perfect example of this is Tokeo Wallet. Yeah, it started out as a simple wallet, but their vision is so much bigger. They're aiming to become a complete cross-chain DeFi hub. And they are moving fast, let me tell you. A desktop wallet is right around the corner. They're launching a new DeFi hub to connect dozens of different blockchains, and they're really focused on providing actual rewards to their token holders. Oh, and they're teasing a major partnership with Iagon, so yeah, there is a ton of forward momentum here. Okay, and finally, let's talk about the lifeblood of any ecosystem: its projects and its community. Because real progress isn't just about writing code. It's about evolution, it's about adapting, and it's about people getting actively involved. A perfect example of this in action is the Hoskilien project. They're going through a major rebrand right now, but it's so much more than just a new name. They're actually evolving their core mission to focus on DePIN, which stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, basically using blockchains to manage real-world infrastructure. And as you can see from this timeline, they're not doing it in secret. They're bringing their community along for the entire ride. This is what a maturing, transparent project really looks like.
And speaking of community, here's a number you really need to pay attention to: 6. That's how many days are left for community members to get involved in the Walker's staking opportunity. Time is ticking.
So this is a really cool example of direct community engagement. If you hold walkers or walk passes, you can stake your assets to earn new $PERP tokens. Now, the crucial part here is that the process is non-custodial. All that means is your assets never, ever leave your wallet. You always stay in control. It's a super secure way to reward the community and build up all that excitement for the mint day on November 7th. So when you step back and you look at all this activity together, I mean, authenticating wine, fighting fake media, Attracting serious institutional finance and fostering these dynamic communities, it really paints a clear picture of a broad and rapidly advancing ecosystem. So the question it leaves all of us with is what comes next. Thanks for watching.